Firm is in studio with us this morning, waiting to answer your legal questions right here on the air. Again, that number to call is 334-420-9732. That's 420-9732. And Stewart, it's about time to head back to school.
Yes.
For a lot of kids. There will be many new drivers out there on the roads. You see a lot of accidents. What are the reminders for parents and their kids?
Well, yeah, it's for everybody. This time of year, slow down. I don't know. Doesn't matter what the speed limit is, how you normally drive in an area. This time of year, when there are more drivers or normal drivers just going back, taking their kids to school. I mean, a lot of times there's not necessarily new drivers, but I know in our neighborhood when we come to get on the interstate, summertime, it's no big deal. It's easy. It's not crowded. But when school starts, the back to school traffic, holy cow. You know, people are now rushing to make a light that they've been catching easily all summer long. And so they're darting here and there. And so, yeah, my best advice is slow down. Just back to school time, slow down. And yeah, new drivers. I was just telling you off the air, my youngest child of 4, we just got a driver's test done this week. She passed, so we've got a new driver at our house. But yeah, everybody.
Congratulations.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's kind of double edged.
We'll pray for you.
That's it. Yeah. Please send those out. But yeah, it's that time of year, spot on. And again, football season. You know, that's right around the corner. Same thing. Weekends. Football Friday night, high school football Thursday and Friday, college football over the weekend. Please slow down when you're out there. There's so many more people on the road, and just be careful.
We have a caller on the line now. Let's go to Robert in Pike Road. Robert, go ahead with your question.
Hey, y'all. My daughter was driving my vehicle. She was insured, got hit by someone that wasn't yet on their parents' insurance. And I'm having a real hard time. It's been about 2 weeks, and they're kind of giving me the runaround. Clearly their fault, I think, anyway. Got hit on the side, front door, side, rear door also. Just got backed into. You got any advice on what to do in this case? Insurance says to try and work direct, but we're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, great question. That happens a lot. I would say, if asked to see the policy, that's a gray area of how long they've had their license as a new driver in the house. There's a grace period for most policies that includes a new driver, but if it's been 8 to 10 months and they've just failed to get them added, they may have a good argument to get out of that coverage, which would then bring into play your coverage. We talk about it a lot, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. But the first step would be, I would like to see their policy that they're saying that doesn't apply. Because a lot of times in cases we have, Sally and Robert, is that we need to see the policy. Policies can be written different, and most of them are, and a lot of times the language in the policy can dictate who ultimately has to pay the claim or not pay the claim. So if you haven't had any luck, moving forward, don't let too much time go by, Robert. If you want to reach back out, we'll be glad to take a look at it, give you some advice or some direction. But you're asking the right things and you're on the right trail. Just ask them to provide you a copy of their policy if they're going to deny that claim. And if they do ultimately deny it, ask them to put that in writing, because that then will help you more easily make a claim on your own coverage under uninsured coverage, because what that person would then be is an uninsured motorist, and that would activate your claim. So hopefully it gave you some direction to go. If not, always please reach back out to us.
And sometimes your insurance will go ahead and cover that for you, and then they will work with the other insurance
company. That's exactly right. A lot of times it's called subrogation, where, and that's usually more so in a property damage claim, that, hey, somebody hit you, got damage, and that's could be part of your claim, the damage to the property and the person. Your insurance company would fix your car, you pay they reduce it by your deductible. Behind the scenes, they're going to go to the other insurance company, get that money back plus your deductible, and then within a month or so, usually they would send you your deductible back. So there's a lot of moving parts in front of the camera and behind the camera, TV analogy. So yeah, keep that in mind. But at the end of the day, that's what we're here for. That's the only kind of law we practice is personal injury law. So although I know a little bit about a lot of areas of law, I know where my spot is and where to stay in my lane. So yeah, what you're asking is exactly what we do, Robert. Give us a call back if you can't get it resolved yourself.
What's the best way for folks to get in touch with you?
Yeah, it's as easy as dialing 3 for me, 333-3333, or go to thevancelawfirm.com or WSFA.com to send it online. We'll try to get to it on a Thursday.